This is a very important reminder for Cronos coin holders. I want to take you through some facts that we are facing as we are getting for possibly one of the most parabolic bull markets yet in crypto history. Why? Well, we'll talk about it in this video and what's going on specifically for the Cronos chain and the crypto.com price action. Guys, welcome to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. Today, we're going to talk about some of the facts going on with Cronos. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel for more crypto content. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with the Cronos chain, well, let me give you a very quick story. So here we are looking at the CRO crypto.com token. This token, it's a crypto coin. This is the gas for the Cronos chain. A lot of people are familiar with Ethereum. Ethereum you can build applications on. Cronos was launched in November of 2021 so that people can build applications, and it's an EVM compatible chain, which means it's easy to interact with Ethereum and some of the other competing chains out there to create a full crypto ecosystem where we can conduct decentralized finance and build out the world of Web3. This is very exciting. Now, we like to see developments going on in the space as crypto people, and if you're a crypto.com coin holder, well, then you're going to want to see the Cronos chain succeed. And so let's talk a little bit about what we need to see in order for that to happen. You want the Cronos chain to succeed because CRO is the gas utility token for the Cronos chain and has other use cases as well within the crypto.com exchange and app, which is very awesome, and we could talk about those. But I want to focus in on this. This chain was launched in November of 2021. It got up to $4.3 billion in total value locked up. And we have way more wallets than that now, and we are growing like crazy. And this thing is actually doing very well. But when you look at some of the other chains out there, you will see that even though the overall amount of value going up into DeFi is skyrocketing right now, and we're trying to go back to previous all-time highs, remember, Cronos was up to $4 billion, but it's currently only at $348 million. So some people on the face might look at that and say, well, Cronos is failing. But I disagree strongly because, again, the proof and the facts are this. This launched in November of 2021, so it got a lot of quick hype. But if you look at what happened to Bitcoin in November of 2021, the bull market ended and crypto essentially died, which meant that we went into a bear market, and I say died facetiously because you go into a bear market, we're moving into a parabolic bull cycle right now. Look at Bitcoin. This is crazy. This chart is awesome. But the fact of the matter is this: Cronos launched at the tip of this mountain and fell off a cliff. And so, what we see is it just hasn't really had a wave of excitement yet in the next bull market. But remember what the bigger trend is. It is that people are coming back to crypto and Bitcoin DeFi. Bitcoin DeFi is being built out too, which is very bullish, which is exciting. But you can see there's more volume, more money coming back into the DeFi ecosystem. And eventually this will reach all-time highs. And eventually the Cronos chain will likely reach all-time highs as well. In my mind, there's really no reason to suggest why not. Because really, when you have been in the market for as long as me and my partner on this channel, Black Sea, have, what you know is there's a lot of coins that pump for no reason. And there's a lot of there's a lot of great coins that pump. There's a lot of bad coins that pump. Heck, cryptos just pump. And so when you're looking for a pick, you like to come up with a hypothesis for why something could be valuable. One hypothesis we have for Cronos is it's a major competitor on an exchange standpoint against Binance. Binance is its own chain. It's the top 3 chain. So maybe Crypto.com and Cronos chain has a future somewhere in the top 5. We'll see. There's a lot of developments going on. They have partnerships with Google Web Services and Amazon Web Services, which is very cool. So it does look very promising. But the fact of the matter is this, guys. We're just getting started. You see the volumes coming in, so it's not coming into Cronos chain yet. Obviously, there's been a huge hype cycle for Solana. There's a huge hype cycle coming for Bitcoin-related plays. Now, right now, I am leaning more bullish on Bitcoin-related plays over Cronos in the short to midterm. But I do believe that the Cronos chain and the Cronos ecosystem will have a massive explosion at some point. It typically explodes a little later in the bull cycle. And so I'm not telling you to get out of CRO and then trade over to Bitcoin tokens and then try to make your money there and then take profit at the right time and move back to, I'm not saying any of that. I'm holding my CRO. I'm also dabbling in other ecosystems, Solana, into Bitcoin plays, for sure, big on Bitcoin plays. Did a video earlier talking about the first dog meme on Bitcoin. You should check it out. I'm talking about Welsh. There's a lot of reasons to be bullish on some of that stuff, but it's nice to kind of dabble with a bunch of different ecosystems. I'm very bullish on the Cronos ecosystem because at the end of the day, crypto.com exchange is doing a tremendous job on a regulatory standpoint. They launched what was at one point in the peak of the cycle, a very popular chain right now, coming out of a bear cycle, gaining in popularity slowly, got some competitors. When these markets start exploding, I think volume is going to flow into the Cronos ecosystem. More people have more cash to play around with, more liquidity to interact with some of the dApps and DEXs on Cronos, on other chains. I'm bullish on a lot of chains, guys. The truth is there's going to be so many ways to make money here in crypto. We're going to keep doing content for you guys to keep you up to date with all things crypto. And we're doing live streams if you ever want to join a live stream and talk about other tokens in our chat or ask questions. We do Q&As during every single video, Monday through Friday. We're doing one live stream a day for about an hour. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, guys. But that's all I have for you in this one. I am very bullish on Cronos. Patience is key. Eventually, and we've talked about this a lot, guys, CROcoin will bottom out versus Bitcoin in terms of its valuation. In my opinion, I think that moment is coming soon. We might see this coin start ripping, and there is good reason for it, guys. Crypto's headed in the right direction. Don't forget to DCA HODL, of course, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.